So now that we're grabbing posts automatically, now that they're flowing in, let's go ahead and have them analyzed by AI. And really, how you should think about this depends on what your goal is. Now, in our example, we're going to use X and see whether a post is urgent, whether someone is trying to reach out to us on social media and trying to get our help, and we want to direct that to the team. But maybe for you, it's categorizing product feedback you get on social media. Maybe it's understanding your users a little better, or anything else where you're trying to tag each social media post. We're trying to give it a category. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and use the AI categorizer node. Like that. And this is essentially saying, AI, pick a category amongst all of the ones I provide to you. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and connect these two nodes so that the AI categorizer understands that we want to pull information from Twitter. The content we want to categorize in the case of Twitter is the post content, what the user said. And then we want to add categories. In our case, we're going to have two of them, high or low. And these are going to be the urgency levels for this post. But it might be a category of, what is this? Is this a customer support ticket? Is this product feedback? You can go ahead and create your own categories for the AI to pick from. So we're just going to have high, and then another option, which is low. We can pick the model. I'm going to keep it at GPT-4o mini, and we'll talk a little bit about models in the next lesson. And I'm going to give it some context so it understands, what do we mean by high or low? I'm going to say you are a social media manager and your goal is to evaluate the urgency of a post. Consider a post high urgency if it is a user publicly asking for help or support, unhappy with our product, or asking questions about pricing and packaging. So those are the kind of context that we want to give to the AI, and the AI is going to go through each post and identify whether it's high or low. Now, again, your categories can be completely different. So let's go ahead and run this. And as this is running, what I'm hoping it finds is this post right here, where I said, hey, Gumloop AI, I can't log in. What's going on? Can someone help? This is a post that I wrote a few hours ago. Now, let's go ahead and go into the categorizer. We see that it's given high to one post only, the first one. And that is exactly the post that we saw a moment ago. So it is correctly categorizing. And we could see that, a bunch of other ones are categorized as low as we expected. So now with this, we are grabbing posts automatically, and then we're categorizing them with AI. So in the next lesson, we're going to go ahead and take those two things together and write them to a database. And the value of that is that you can then fine tune your model, and you can do things like write reports and more. So I'll see you back here in the next lesson.